In this video series, we are going to test, rate, and review one of many copper cleaning hacks. The first one we're going to try is half a lemon with salt, and we're also going to try just the lemon, and we're going to see how it goes. This video is for people who want to see how copper cleaning hacks turn out in real time. Welcome to my channel. I'm Lou Horton, a coppersmith and jeweler. I like to do experiments with chemicals and copper. The first copper cleaning hack we're going to look at involves ruining a perfectly delicious lemon by cutting it in half, slathering it in salt, and using the lemon to polish the copper, thereby rendering it inedible. We'll break down how these hacks work and what the copper looks like after a few days. It's not always very pretty. In each video in the series, we will test a different copper cleaning hack. Here I'm trying with just the lemon to show that it's not really working. Okay, now I will add salt. Regular table salt. This can be fine salt, coarse salt, kosher salt, or sea salt. Okay, with the salt, it's going much better. It's getting cleaner fairly quickly now. This clip is in real time, so you're seeing how quickly the lemon and salt clean the copper. What's happening here is the copper is reacting with the acid in the lime juice, and that is dissolving the oxidation or the brown layer on the surface of this piece of copper. Okay, so what's happening here is that the insides of the lemon and the coarseness of the salt are working together as an abrasive to clean the copper. I have to say that this part of the hack is working pretty well. All the other hacks will require you to use a paper towel or a rag. However, the downside is that I can't really get into the corners. On a more detailed piece, it would be very difficult to get it completely clean with this hack. So we learned that adding salt to the lemon will make a much more efficient copper cleaner. Here we have some paper pH test strips to give us an idea of how acidic the lemon juice is. The plain lemon juice is strongly acidic at pH 4. What happens when we add salt to the lemon? The pH test paper indicates a pH of 2, very strongly acid, and the highest level indicated here. We learned that adding salt to the lemon juice made this concoction much more effective for cleaning copper. Then we tested the pH levels and learned that the salty lemon is more acidic than plain lemon. Interesting. Now I'm going to rate this hack. Again, this was cutting a lemon in half, adding salt, and using that to polish the copper. As far as time goes, it worked quickly, almost instantly, but still required 10 minutes of scrubbing, and this piece of copper didn't have any cooking oil or dirt on it, so I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Cost? Lemons are usually about $1 each, so this is kind of expensive, and then you'll need quite a bit of tap water for rinsing. I give the cost about 4 out of 10. The next factor is safety. It seems pretty safe, there are no fumes. But the solution did burn some tiny cuts I had on my hands, so I recommend gloves. I'll give safety 9 out of 10. Disposal. Mostly solid, and you could compost the lemons and paper towels depending on what kind of bugs are in your compost heap. Copper salts, the green stuff, can be toxic to bugs, so I'm rate the disposal of this hack 8 out of 10. As far as messiness factor, this was pretty messy. The salt could get loose, and I used a few dishes and paper towels. So I'll give it a 4 out of 10 for how messy it is. How are the results? How well did this hack actually clean the copper? The results were splotchy, and my fingerprints are left on the surface of the copper. I'm not happy with the results. After scrubbing for about 10 minutes, I was not able to get a clean, uniform surface. I have to give the results of this hack a 4 out of 10. Okay, so the overall rating after I average all 6 factors together, time, cost, messiness, safety, disposal, and results, I come up with a 6 out of 10. Overall, I'm not very impressed with this copper cleaning hack. I'd rather use my lemons for garnishes and salad dressings. If you have tried this hack, let me know what you thought about it in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you've got any DIY copper cleaning hacks and tips you'd like me to test. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.